Hello everyone, this is Rakshita M of CSE AI department. I'm here to present about environmental protection management. The contents in these topics are clean technology, key principles of clean technology, overview of zero liquid discharge, closed loop system. Clean technology. Clean technology, often called as clean tech, refers to initiative solution designed to reduce or eliminate negative environmental impacts. These technology conserve resources, minimize emissions, manage waste more efficiently, and optimize the use of energy. Clean tech spans a broad range of industries, including energy, water, manufacturing, and transportation. The main importance of clean technology is environmental impact reduction, resource conservation, regulatory compliance, public health benefits. Environmental impact reduction. It means by reducing pollutants and emission, clean tech helps combat climate change and air pollution, making a sustainable contribution toward environmental sustainability. And other topic is the resource conservation. The clean tech innovations improve efficiency, allowing us to get more utility from less input, especially important in a world of finite resources. This includes both renewable and non-renewable resources such as water, fossil fuels, and raw materials. And the next point is regulatory compliance. As governments globally enact stricter environmental regulation, clean technology is crucial for industries to stay compliant, avoid penalties, and meet sustainable goals. The next point is public health benefits. Reducing harmful emissions and pollutants directly improves air and water quality, thus protecting public health. The key principles of clean technology is resource efficiency, waste minimization, sustainable design, emphasis on renewable resources. This principle emphasizes minimizing the use of resources, including energy, water, and raw materials in production and operational process. In waste minimization, in clean technology, minimizing waste means reducing waste generation right at the source, ensuring that less waste needs to be managed, treated, or disposed of. Sustainable design. Sustainable design incorporates eco-friendly materials, designs, and manufacturing practices that reduce environmental impact throughout a product's life cycle from production to disposal. Emphasis on renewable resources. Favoring renewable resources like solar, wind, bioenergy help biodecreasing on fossil fuels and other renewable resources. And the next concept is zero liquid discharge. It means it is a water treatment process that eliminates all liquid waste from an industrial process, ensuring no wastewater is discharged into the environment. The main agenda is that it ensures that no water is discharged into the environment. This achieved by purifying, concentrating, and recovering all water and converting residues into solid waste for disposal or reuse. The key components of ZLD is pre-treatment system used to remove large particles, oils, grease, and suspended solids from wastewater. This step prepares the water for further processing. Evaporation system. This system uses the heat to concentrate wastewater by removing water in vapor from which is then condensed and recovered. Crystallizers. Crystallizers further concentrate the water to the point where dissolved solid from crystals, allowing complete separation and enabling the recovery of pure water. Membrane technologies. Reverse osmosis and other membrane system contaminates water from water, leaving behind high quality water sustainable for reuse. Benefits of zero liquid technology: environmental protection, water conservation, compliance with regulation, resource recovery. By eliminating the discharge of pollutants into water bodies, ZLD helps protect ecosystem from contamination. And ZLD recycles water within industry process, significantly reducing the demand for fresh water. Many industries face strict wastewater regulation. ZLD ensures compliance with these regulations, avoiding potential fines and operational shutdowns. ZLD can also recover valuable byproducts from wastewater, such as salts and other chemicals for reuse in other process or industry. Industry using ZLD. There are several industries that use zero liquid discharge technique such as power plants, chemical manufacturing, textile and dyeing industry. In power plants, ZLD to manage wastewater from cooling towers and steam systems. In chemical manufacturing, prevents the release of hazardous wastewater by ZLD systems. Textile and dyeing industry uses ZLD to treat and recycle the water. This is the process of ZLD where the water is first taken from the concentration and done the vaporization, distillation, condensation, and it crystallizes the water. And from that, the solid particles are taken and reused from the water, where solid is abstracted at the last step. From the cooling water or ponds, the water is vaporized and filtered and distilled. And after vaporizing, the remaining crystals is taken as a solid and can be used for any other purpose. Closed loop system. A closed loop system is a sustainable approach that reuses resources in a continuous cycle, minimizing the need of external inputs and eliminating waste. By recycling water, heat, or other minerals, these systems help to create a self sustaining operation with minimal environmental impact. How closed loop system work? In a closed loop system, resources like water or heat are used within a controlled loop where they are continuously treated and cycled back into the process. This recycling of resources eliminates the need of discharge into environmental reuse reliance on fresh inputs. Example in industries. Cooling water recirculation in power plants. Used to recycle cooling water, conserving water and reducing heat discharge into nearby ecosystem. Waste heat recovery in manufacturing. Captures heat generated from industrial process and reuses it for heating or other application reducing energy demand. Water recycling in agriculture. Closed loop irrigation system collect and filter runoff water to use it again, minimizing water usage and nutrient loss. What are the benefits of closed loop system? Reduced resource consumption, lower environment impact, cost efficiency, regulatory compliance. By reusing materials, closed loop systems minimize the need for new resources like fresh water and energy, making the process more sustainable and cost efficient. The closed nature of this system prevents pollutants from being released into the environment, protecting local ecosystem. Closed loop system lower operating costs by reducing expenses associated with resource procurement, waste management, and disposal.